In this video, we will explore the Spanish instructions, where to find them, as well as what's included in these materials. They are designed for the video courses and are only offered in digital form for online and DVD users. We begin on the Courses tab on the Hub. To access these instructions, click on the details of a course. We move to the course resources and click on the course files. Now we can see the instructions in Spanish. These instructions are only available on the parent profile and are designed to help assist the Spanish-speaking parents or facilitators in understanding the instructions for that course and grading for their students. Here we can see the file for physical science. This gives a breakdown of what's included on the contents page and information about the course and video teacher. It explains in Spanish how to record grades and even provides a legend for terms listed on this form. We also find a list of materials needed for labs in chapter order, along with suggested grading instructions for the labs. In Fundamentals of Math, we can see the video lesson guide has been translated alongside the English. This day-by-day guide will show the parent what the student should accomplish, along with their daily role as the facilitator. In World History, we can see essay rubrics that help the facilitator understand what to look for while grading writing projects and how many points it might be worth. As you can see, this is just another way the Hub and BJU Press Homeschool curriculum can assist you in your homeschool journey.